Okay, I think I just got a raindrop on my camera. Anyways, we're out here by the Guayin. I just did another one a little bit more. I kind of walked over that way, but I kind of saw this other stuff that I thought I might explore, so just threw my umbrella here. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Umbrella here. It's kind of interesting right there. There's a broom. You can see it right there. So a lot of times in Macau, they kind of have these makeshift brooms that are made out of natural organic things that are just not even called organic. It's just the way that it's made. So I'll see these kind of stashed away in sometimes big, large banyan trees, and this one's just sitting there on the steps. If you can't see it, I'll get a little bit closer. And then in a minute, I'm gonna poke my camera over there and see what's over there. That broom right there. Okay, so Guayin is a statue that commemorates kind of a goddess of the area, kind of like, almost like a Mother Mary figure. There's another one. That's how they keep everything so clean. They just kind of keep it, you know, in these areas, and then when the people come, they can, they got the rooms already ready. They don't have to bring them out or anything like that. I just want to stand out here. Before you could walk out in here, but now it looks like they put barriers. And then I saw the other one, oh, this has it too. Beware of snake. So that little sign, if you get closer, it says beware of snake. It's another access over there. So in the past, myself included, I would walk out here sometimes and just kind of check stuff out. It looks like they want to discourage that. And then this is kind of interesting because it looks like they're tearing all this stuff up. I can see like little tire tracks right there. You can probably see that. And these rocks look like upheavaled. And then of course there's this big fence here. And I think I remember hearing that they're going to develop it. Let's just stick the camera over the fence and see. So I don't know what that is. I couldn't see it. I'll be able to see it later when I upload the video, of course. I'd have to end this particular one, but I definitely can guess that they're doing some kind of construction. And I'm gonna grab my umbrella on this rainy day, and we're just gonna walk. Oh wow, okay. Yeah, before you could walk down the street and they had construction and it was completely blocked, but now they blocked that too. So let's just see what it says. I think they're gonna do some project here. Name of project, okay. Designation de obra. Okay. So it looks like they're going to develop this whole thing. So yeah. So that's you can't walk on it at all. But before, all these black and white tiles were basically all the way down there, and you could walk all the way down to a science center that was down there. We're at 3 minutes. Maybe I'll walk out there and then you can see what I'm talking about. But there was this one whole area that was that had like a big fence, just like that fence, but it was much closer to the water. And all those trees that you saw, that you can see right there, within the construction area, those trees were all with park benches around them, so you could sit down there and enjoy, but hardly anybody would come around in this area. So it was, I guess it was had some nice solitude to it. Oh, this is closed too. Closed at 6 o'clock. It's like 6:30 right now. Okay, so this is the area that I meant anyways. So so basically, actually before, that fence was like maybe like here, like straight, almost like straight on almost. And it looked like they moved the fence over and they blocked up all the sidewalk too, which I guess is good because then they're going to develop the entire thing. But actually before, it wasn't really that pleasant because you had no access to look at the water. So it looks like now they're going to build a better park and a better place that has access to overlooking the water. So whatever they're doing should be pretty cool, and I'm glad to be documenting it right now so that you know, years later people can look at it and say, oh yeah, okay, didn't realize it was like that. And I think I have another video where I've walked that with this camera, but it's probably a year ago, so I don't know how easy that would be to find. I don't know what I would have called that for a name, but if I called it anything, it might have been connected with Guanyin or that science center over there. Okay, hope you enjoyed this one as well. All right, bye Guanyin. Sorry we couldn't visit you today. Chiquinha, chiquinha.